Luton Defence Administration. Urgent alert. This is an automated message from the Luton Defence Administration. Please be advised that a dangerous criminal, Jimmy Falconh, has escaped police custody during transport through the Leagrave area. The escape occurred while under the supervision of law enforcement, and the suspect is now at large. SAS forces have been deployed and are actively conducting search and containment operations. All local authorities, security personnel, and residents in the vicinity are urged to exercise extreme caution. Steps to ensure civilian safety. 1. Stay indoors. All civilians in the Leagrave area are advised to remain indoors and secure all entry points, including doors and windows. 2. Avoid travel. Refrain from any non-essential travel, especially in the Leagrave vicinity, until further notice. 3. Report suspicious activity. Immediately report any suspicious activity or sightings of individuals matching Falconh's description to local authorities. Do not attempt to engage or confront the suspect. 4. Stay informed. Monitor local news outlets, official social media channels, and emergency broadcasts for updates and further instructions. 5. Assist vulnerable individuals. Ensure that vulnerable individuals, such as the elderly or those with disabilities, are safe and informed about the situation. Falconh is considered highly dangerous. Do not approach him under any circumstances. Instead, immediately report any sightings or suspicious activities to the nearest law enforcement agency. Further instructions and updates will follow as the situation develops. Your cooperation is critical in ensuring public safety. Stay alert and stay safe.